almost perfect. Almost lang ba? Hindi ba create ni God na perfect na talaga? Was still perfect. Hindi. Oo. Ano na? Long time ago, before people came along, the earth was still perfect. Almost lang. Almost lang. Sige, almost mo lang. Was almost perfect. Sa sound effects pa ba tayo? Ewan. Yan o, seriously. Yun nga, yung katuloy yung parang everything around the world is beautiful.